Upgrading the windows in your Layton home can be a rewarding investment, enhancing both the aesthetic appeal and energy efficiency of your property. However, without proper research and planning, the process can become overwhelming and costly. To ensure you get the most out of your window upgrade, it's crucial to avoid common mistakes that homeowners often make. Here are some of the most frequent errors to steer clear of when choosing new windows for your home. Ignoring energy efficiency features. One of the primary reasons for upgrading windows is to improve your home's energy efficiency. However, many homeowners focus too much on style and forget to check for energy-efficient features. Windows with poor insulation can lead to heat loss during winter and heat gain in summer, resulting in higher energy bills. When shopping for new windows, look for products that offer features like double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and argon gas fill. These features help reduce heat transfer, keeping your home more comfortable year-round while saving on heating and cooling costs. Additionally, choosing windows that are ENERGY STAR certified will ensure you're selecting products that meet high energy performance standards. Overlooking local climate conditions. Layton's climate features cold winters and hot, dry summers, so choosing windows that are not suited to these conditions can be a mistake. For example, windows that are not built to handle extreme temperature changes may expand or contract over time, leading to air leaks or water damage. It's important to choose windows designed to withstand both freezing temperatures and intense summer sun. For colder months, consider energy-efficient windows with low thermal conductivity to keep the warmth inside. On the other hand, windows with high-performance coatings or reflective glass can help block out the sun's heat in the summer, keeping your home cooler and reducing the load on your air conditioning system. Focusing too much on appearance and not enough on function. While the aesthetic value of your new windows is undoubtedly important, functionality should be your top priority. Homeowners sometimes choose windows based solely on their appearance, overlooking crucial factors like ventilation, ease of cleaning, or security features. Consider how the windows will function in different rooms of your home. For example, sliding windows might be ideal for areas where you want a wide opening for airflow, but casement windows may be better for a tighter seal. Make sure you also think about maintenance. Some window types, like double-hung or tilt-in windows, are easier to clean than others, which can be especially helpful for hard-to-reach areas. Neglecting proper installation. Even the highest quality windows won't perform well if they are not installed correctly. Many homeowners overlook the importance of professional installation, either opting for DIY or choosing an installer based on price rather than experience. Poor installation can lead to a variety of issues, from air leaks to water damage and poor energy performance. Ensure that the installer is experienced, licensed, and familiar with the type of windows you're installing. A proper installation will ensure that your windows are sealed tightly, reduce drafts, and contribute to the overall longevity of the windows. Take the time to get a few quotes and verify the reputation of your installer through reviews and recommendations. Not considering long-term durability and maintenance. While new windows might look great at first, it's essential to consider their long-term durability. Some window materials, such as vinyl or fiberglass, require less maintenance and are more durable than others. Wooden windows, though beautiful, can be more prone to damage from moisture and weather exposure, requiring more upkeep over the years. Think about how much time you're willing to dedicate to window maintenance. Vinyl and fiberglass windows are generally more resilient and require less attention over time, making them great options for homeowners looking for a low-maintenance upgrade. Failing to set a realistic budget window upgrades can be a significant investment, and failing to set a clear, realistic budget can lead to unexpected financial strain. While it's tempting to go for the highest-end options, it's essential to balance quality and cost. Research various window brands, materials, and features, and set a budget that aligns with your priorities, whether that's energy efficiency, durability, or aesthetic appeal. Don't forget to account for installation costs, as this can be a substantial portion of the overall expense. And remember, investing in higher quality, energy-efficient windows may cost more upfront but can save you money in the long run by reducing energy bills and increasing your home's value. Conclusion: upgrading your windows is a great way to enhance your home's appearance, comfort, and energy efficiency. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can ensure that your window upgrade is a smart investment that brings long-term benefits. Focus on energy efficiency, consider the local climate, prioritize functionality, choose a reliable installer, and balance your budget with your needs. By carefully considering each of these factors, you'll enjoy windows that not only look great but also perform well for years to come in your Layton home.